This is sample audio from this product. You will receive the complete audio to stream or download after you purchase. Thank you. This is page 3 of the NRCME exam walkthrough presented by the DSG team. That's the DOT Study Guide team. Here we go. The physical demands for a driver include the following: grip strength, upper and lower body strength, and range of motion, lateral cervical mobility, balance, climbing, reach and prehension, and touch sensation. Once more, that's grip strength, upper and lower body strength and range of motion, lateral cervical mobility, balance, climbing, reach and prehension, and finally, touch sensation. Let's talk about a couple examples. First, we have a patient without fourth and fifth fingers. Can they be cleared? Yes, if their grip strength is still normal, there is no specific testing required for a patient missing their fourth and fifth fingers. How about a patient who is unable to climb or flex their knees beyond 90 degrees? Well, you have to disqualify them because they can't climb or flex their knees, and this is part of the physical demands for the driver. If there is hypersensitivity pneumonitis, you need to advise the patient to avoid transporting the causative agent. Makes sense, right? If they're hypersensitive to a causative agent, they need to avoid transporting it. A patient should be advised to avoid driving if they've taken sedating medicines in the last 12 hours. 70% of EDS, it's excessive daytime sleepiness, 70% cases come from narcolepsy and OSA, that's sleep apnea. So if you have a patient who's nodding off and they have a history of being asleep at the wheel, falling asleep at the wheel, you need to disqualify them, of course, and then refer back to primary care provider for a sleep study. Let's say you have a patient with COPD or asthma with recently increased symptoms and inhaler use. You're first going to do PFTs, the pulmonary function testing, and if the FEV1 is less than 65%, that's 65%, you need to order ABGs, arterial blood gases, and if the PaO2 is less than 65%, you need to disqualify them and have them follow up with a specialist like a pulmonologist. The number here to think about is 65%. This is the magic number for the pulmonary cases. Starting with PFT, if the FEV is less than 65%, you order ABGs. If the PaO2 is less than 65%, you disqualify. Also consider disqualifying if these following respiratory conditions or findings occur: bronchiectasis with hemoptysis, COPD with cough syrup, or asthma with frequent hospitalizations. If a patient has a second spontaneous pneumothorax on the same side without any surgical intervention. For more information about the other products we provide regarding the DOT exam, meaning the NRCME, please go to our website and purchase our products there. Thank you for your support. Your purchase of this and our other audio and visual products allows us to keep producing and improving the content we provide.